Welcome back. Today we are tackling word break 2. This is a classic problem often categorized as hard difficulty on coding platforms. It tests your understanding of recursion, backtracking, and dynamic programming. Let us look at the problem statement. We are given a strings and a dictionary of words. Our goal is to insert spaces into the string such that every resulting word exists in the dictionary. The catch is that we must return all possible sentences, not just one. Here is an example to visualize the output. If our string is cats and dog, we can split it in two ways. One solution is cats and dog, and another is cat sand dog. We need to return both of these variations in our result list. How do we approach this? The core logic involves breaking the problem down. We iterate through the string and check if the beginning matches a word in our dictionary. If it does, we break that word off and recursively try to solve the problem for the remaining suffix. We can visualize this as a tree. Starting with the full string, we branch out for every valid word we find at the start. Cat is a valid word, so we branch left. Cats is also valid, so we branch right. We continue this process until we either reach the end of the string or hit a dead end. A naive recursive approach has a major flaw. We might encounter the same suffix multiple times through different paths. For example, the suffix sand dog might be processed repeatedly. This redundant computation leads to a time limit exceeded error on large inputs. To fix this, we use memoization. We create a hash map or a dictionary to cache our results. The key will be the suffix we are trying to solve, and the value will be the list of all valid sentences that can be formed from that suffix. If we see the suffix again, we just return the stored result. Here is the pseudocode. The function wordBreak takes the string and the memoization map. First, check if the string is already in the memo. If so, return it. If not, iterate through the dictionary. If the string starts with a dictionary word, recurse on the rest of the string. Combine the current word with every result returned from the recursion. In terms of complexity, this is still expensive. In the worst case, like a string of all A's, the number of valid sentences can be exponential. So the time complexity is big O of 2 to the power of n space complexity is also exponential because we have to store all these strings. To summarize, use depth-first search to explore all paths. Use memoization to avoid redoing work for the same substrings. And always remember to handle the base case where the string is empty, which means you found a valid path.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.